Alright, so those are the fog lights installed. While I was at it, I went ahead and did the reservoir for the power steering. You can see where it's cracked right there. The hose, it's leaking right here really bad though, but it's only leaking about, oh, it's about maybe half quart every 2 weeks, so it wasn't bad, but it's bad enough to irritate the crap out of me. So we're gonna go ahead and get that finished. Got the fog lights installed very good because it's like it's starting to rain. So the fogs are installed, everything is set up there. They work really good. The car actually runs good. The car is running really good. The only thing is I broke, when I was installing everything, I broke this, but I mean it works fine. I just broke the tab off like when you install it, so I put tape on the top of it. So I'm gonna buy a new one of these because I really like it to kind of match the interior anyway. I mean, it's okay, it's not bad, but you know, whatever. And the power steering is doing good now that I put the new reservoir on. The car really doesn't need too much more. I'm gonna eventually have to replace the front window. The headliner needs to be redone because I did it and it sucks now because it fell. And then I found a company that'll do the headliner for like 200 bucks. So it needs AC really, and that's about it. I mean, just odds and end little things. I want to get some new trim for the exterior, this chrome trim. I want to replace that. The seals aren't bad, and this window needs a regulator, like a newer regulator, just because it's old. It still works, but sometimes it has trouble coming up. So other than that, the car runs great for what I paid for it and what I've done to it. It's not bad. So I'm digging it. Eventually I'm going to have to do a clutch in it. The clutch is a little bit older, but other than that, it runs good. It's perfect. So I don't know, you guys take it easy. Peace.